it's already cooked. For today's video guys, I will make a sponge cake. So I have only 4 ingredients. First one is the flour, 1/2 cup, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, and 1/2 cup of sugar. So let's start to make guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Juliet from Arabnoy Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for you to update every time I post my new video. So first guys, we have to put parchment paper for our baking pan. Preheat the oven 165 to 45 minutes. So first guys, we have to beat the egg. Then I add the sugar. Then I combine the baking powder in our flour. And sift here and continue beating. Do not overbeat. So we have to now transfer our baking pan. And bake for 40. So let's bake our sponge cake in preheated oven for 45 minutes.